Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartSpan. Today, I'm taking you along on a recent beautiful experience, a visit to Prani, the pet sanctuary right here in Bangalore. A must-visit spot if you're an animal lover like us. Nestled on the outskirts of Bangalore, Prani is not your typical zoo or park. It's a sanctuary, a place where rescued and rehabilitated animals live with love and care. And yes, it's super family-friendly. We were greeted by friendly staff and volunteers who guided us through the sanctuary. What makes Prani special is the hands-on interaction. We got to touch, feed, and even hold some of the animals, from cuddly rabbits to curious iguanas and gentle horses. We arrived in the afternoon and were greeted by the friendly volunteers who gave us a quick introduction about the place. The vibe here is calm, earthy, and welcoming, perfect for slowing down and connecting with nature. Our first stop was the small animal zone, and let me tell you, the kids were over the moon. It's a dream come true for children. You're not just watching animals here, you're interacting with them. And that's what makes this place different. The staff made sure everyone felt safe and educated. There's something truly special about seeing animals up close, in a space where they are respected and not caged. Prani is also about learning. It's not just a fun trip, it's an educational one. We learned how each animal ended up here, how they're taken care of. Trust me, it opens your heart and mind, and you leave with so much more appreciation for life around us. While exploring, we took a break in between, under the trees, surrounded by chirping birds and gentle breezes. There are spots to sit, snack, and just breathe in nature. It's peaceful. You feel a connection with the animals and the environment. The pet sanctuary is designed to help children build a closer bond with animals and develop a sense of respect and compassion for all living creatures. Unlike traditional zoos, Prani provides a unique, hands-on experience where visitors can gently interact with the animals. It truly feels like a living classroom in nature. I was genuinely impressed by the love and attention given to each rescued animal here. Nature truly is the best teacher, and Prani proves that beautifully. Learning through observation and real-life interaction is so much more impactful, and I'm grateful for the chance to give children that kind of hands-on education. I genuinely believe that bonding with animals nurtures empathy. The animal tour at Prani is something you just shouldn't miss. From amphibians and birds to mammals, the variety of animals here is incredible. What makes it special is the opportunity to actually touch, feed, and observe them up close. A rare experience that children absolutely love. Prani also plays a powerful role in helping children overcome fear and become more aware and responsible. From ponies and parrots to emus, rodents, turtles, goats, geese, and more, the bond children form with these animals is heartwarming. And the care given to every creature here is top-notch, with dedicated veterinary support ensuring their well-being. As part of the guided tour, we were taken to a section that housed various types of rats and rodents. We were given the chance to gently touch or hold them if we felt comfortable. The staff shared interesting insights about each species, including their origin, characteristics, and why they are special. One of the most fascinating moments was meeting this gentle giant, the iguana. Unlike what we usually see behind glass at a zoo, here we got a rare chance to see it up close, and even touch it. It was amazing to feel its scaly skin and observe its cool, slow movements. Being this close to a reptile, without fear, just respect and curiosity, was a powerful experience. One of the most cheerful corners at Prani is the bird zone. We saw parrots, lovebirds, and even hens walking around freely. The hens were casually strolling around, adding to the farm-like vibe. The birds are vibrant, friendly, and some even mimic sounds. It's such a delight to see birds up close. One of the most exciting moments of our visit was seeing the horse and ponies up close. We were overjoyed. We even got a chance to feed the horse with hay, and watching it eat calmly from our hands was such a heartwarming experience. And here's something that blew our minds. Did you know this horse weighs around 550 kilograms and eats nearly 50 kilos of food a day. Whether it was the majestic horse or the adorable little ponies, these gentle animals stole the show and our hearts. As we continued our tour through Prani, we stumbled upon one of the most peaceful corners of the sanctuary. And guess who we met there? Tortoises, ducks, and beautiful swans. Watching the tortoise move slowly and gracefully was quite a moment. It reminded us to slow down and enjoy the little things, just like he does. The ducks were full of personality, walking in groups, quacking away, and happily splashing around in the water. They were so playful, and we loved watching them up close. And then the stars of the pond, the swans. Elegant, serene, and so graceful. Seeing them in real life, just a few feet away, felt almost magical. This section was like a slice of nature's poetry, calm, soothing, and filled with beauty. It was a perfect break from the excitement, and a lovely spot to just pause and soak in the moment. Now here's a tiny creature that left us amazed, the archerfish. This fish has a superpower. It can shoot jets of water from its mouth to knock insects off branches. Yes, like a real-life archer. That's how it gets its name. We got to watch this clever little hunter in action, targeting its prey with incredible aim. It's hard to believe such precision comes from a fish. One of the absolute highlights for the kids was spending time with the adorable white rabbit. This gentle, snow-white bunny instantly became everyone's favorite. The kids couldn't stop petting it, and the rabbit seemed to enjoy the attention just as much. They got a chance to feel how soft its fur was, and learn how to hold it gently with care. It was heartwarming to see how calmly the kids connected with the rabbit, and how being around such a gentle creature taught them patience and kindness. This was more than just fun. It was a beautiful memory in the making, and a perfect way to help children build empathy towards animals. Meet the most adorable little fluffballs at Prani, the guinea pigs. These tiny creatures may be small, but they stole a big piece of our hearts. Watching them eat is a show in itself. Tiny paws holding onto a snack, eyes full of curiosity. It's impossible not to smile. This was one of the most thrilling moments of our visit, coming face to face with a snake. The mix of curiosity and anxiety was real. Just seeing it so close made our hearts race. For many of us, snakes are something we've only seen behind glass or in books. But here, it was right in front of us. And then came the big moment. We were given the chance to touch it. Yes, really. Even though we were scared, we couldn't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Touching the snake is an unforgettable memory. Inside the aviary, the birds roam completely free. If they feel comfortable around you, they might come and perch on your hand or shoulder, just like that. And here's a little tip. If you have some food in your hand, you instantly become a VIP guest. These curious little creatures love to come closer for a quick snack. One of the most unexpected and exciting moments of our visit, seeing an emu for the very first time. They're so tall, curious, and kind of majestic in their way. And guess what? This friendly emu posed with me for a photo. I couldn't believe it. It just stood there like a pro, as if it knew how to steal the spotlight. That one picture made my day. Definitely one of the coolest memories from Prani, and a story I'll be telling for a long time. And finally, we wrapped up our amazing visit with a close look at the sheep, pig, and a very proud-looking rooster. The sheep were super calm and fluffy, perfect for a gentle pat. The pig, totally relaxed, just chilling in its space. And the rooster? Oh, he walked around like he owned the place. It was such a peaceful way to end the day, being around these familiar, yet fascinating animals up close. Simple joys, real connections, and happy hearts all around. We had such a heartwarming experience at Prani. We loved it, and we're already planning to come back. If you're in or around Bangalore, Prani, the pet sanctuary, is a place you absolutely must visit. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more family-friendly travel and experience vlogs. Also, check the description for the location and more details about Prani. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind,